Principal of Union Christian College Higher Secondary School Bayarlin Nongrang released a new book titled Teachers' Attitude Towards the Profession of Elementary Level Education. Co-authored with Dr. Mistilia Dakar, the book aims to support teachers by offering practical advice on classroom management and student engagement. Nongrang's research, which began during the COVID-19 lockdown, aims to improve educational practices and inspire teachers in the district and beyond.
It's very difficult. Persang pagpamangala ka research makabala ka master degree in education. Then haple the research ng tangala ki questionnaires. Then the questionnaires pada ki long ba ki mentoy ya ki bobo. Na kansim da ready made questionnaire. Dengan sim da da national ki questionnaire. Then I ki kina. Then makade ka lockdown class I through like WhatsApp and all. Ban job some student are selected ada kapot. Then nang tapat dan dala itho baka idyang no dong sedong ka ilong applicable especially for the elementary school teachers pakhat bad in madam jonga bad igait ban na no ka doju kokot ban tho no da kokot nomor bakila ban yarap yaki no hikai ki badang hikai ha ka elementary school education.